Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Welcome to the E-shaped bar chords module. Over the next 5 lessons, you're going to learn everything that you wanted to know about this type of bar chord. They're super cool. We're going to be looking at the major grip, the minor grip, the dominant 7th grip. We're going to learn how to use triads, which are a super cool thing that you can use as a second guitar part when somebody's playing chords. And really importantly, we're going to be learning about note function. It's a really big deal that's going to infect in a good way everything that you play on the guitar. If you're coming from my beginner's course, the great news is that you've actually already done the E-shaped bar chord when you learn to play the F chord. So your muscles are going to be super well prepped. But now you're an intermediate guitar player, we're going to make it that little bit trickier. We're going to start moving it around the neck. Over this course, we're going to learn 36 chords plus the triad grips. Okay, there's a whole lot of stuff going on here. It's going to be super great fun. Now, a couple of things I want to mention about bar chords, and that is that they're physically hard work. You need to develop some muscles here. And when you first start trying to play them for an extended period, you're very likely to get a sore muscle here between your thumb and your first finger. It's really normal. Now, if you've been doing my beginner's course, you will have noticed that all of the way through, I'm always telling you to keep your thumb around the back of the fretboard. Now, if you watch me play, you'll often see the thumb reaching around the top. The reason that I was insisting on keeping your thumb around the back there is to force that muscle there to get nice and strong in preparation for your bar chords. Okay, it really is a big deal. Now, even with all of that prep, if you start trying to practice bar chords for like a full 5 minutes, it would be really normal for that muscle to get really sore. In fact, muscles in your fingers and possibly your forearm are going to get a little bit sore as well, and that is okay. Sore is okay, because actually when we do a workout, no matter whether it's a guitar workout or a regular like going to the gym thing, we destroy the muscle and then it rebuilds stronger. So you kind of should let your hand get a little bit sore, but it shouldn't hurt. Okay, don't practice it until it hurts. Practice till it gets sore, till your hand feels tired. Just like if you're going to the gym and doing weights or whatever, you're not really trying to hurt yourself. You're trying to get that kind of soreness level right. And that'll take a little bit of practice. But whatever happens, if it hurts, stop. Take a couple of days off, get over the pain, and then come back to it, and then don't push it quite that hard again. So hopefully you're ready. Let's get stuck into the first lesson.